What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize this coupon banner that appears from Smart Coupons for WooCommerce. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial where I do explain how to install, how to customize, how to set up discount coupons and smart discount coupons into your WooCommerce. And there is options to make these coupon banners appear into your account, into your cart, into your checkout page on your WordPress store. But how to change the colors, how to change the design of these coupon codes? First thing, you need to install the plugin. In the case that you did not install it, go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click into the submenu Add New Plugin. Review the upper right corner of your screen. Into search plugins, you're gonna type Smart Coupons, just like this. Wait while the page loads, and we're gonna need to installing the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce, okay? While you wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, click on install now and then click into the activate Smart Coupons for WooCommerce coupons, okay? After, review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, hover mouse over Smart Coupons, it's gonna appear this button as soon as you activate the plugin. You can still use the free version, no need to go pro, in the case you don't want. Hover mouse over it and click on General Settings, okay? And right here, the first option is Available Coupon, Used Coupon, Expired Coupon. We have options to customize it, for example, the color, the secondary color, and the selected color. Let me show you. Save change. Now, go back to your WooCommerce page. Let me find one to show you. As you can see, the discount coupon changes, okay? But we still have things to do in order to customize it. What are? We can change the secondary color. Just like this. Simple, right? But what about used coupons? You can display this as well. Expired coupons can be displayed as well. And of course, you always can use CSS in the case that you want to customize the codes. What kind of CSS? Coupon style, there is a couple of options right here. There is code that you can copy, and in the case that you want to use CSS, for example, right here into this text, all you have to do is select the text, click on inspect, find out the class, in this case is this class right here, and you can enter this class into your WordPress customizer, into your theme customizer, into any section that you can apply custom CSS codes. It's a quite simple process, okay? In the case we are using a classic WordPress theme, all you have to do is move to Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS, enter the class, just like this, and start working on your code, okay? For example, changing the colors, changing the design, changing the layout. It's really simple process, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!